Very good. Tanner is really good with his shapes. Can you find the red one? That's the black one. So there's the red one. Good job. Good. Hey, I've got something for you here. Do you want this? Okay. Now, let's see if we can get this right. All right, good. Okay, where's your thing? Where is it? There it is. Here you go. Here you go. Beautiful. You are a musician. Beautiful. Yeah, you can have that.